In this session, we'll discuss setup of the General Ledger accounting options. We can access this setup window by selecting General Ledger from the Setup Accounting Options menu, or by right-clicking on the General Ledger menu icon and selecting the Setup option. This is the General Ledger setup window. Here we can specify some information about how we would like to use the General Ledger. First, we need to set up the structure of our General Ledger account numbers. The standard structure for General Ledger account numbers is a 5-digit number. We indicate this structure by selecting 5 as the number of digits in segment 1. Optionally, you can add additional numbers in other segments. For example, if you put a 5 in the first segment and a 2 in the second segment, the General Ledger account number will have 7 digits. Once General Ledger accounts have been entered, the structure of the General Ledger account number cannot be changed. This is an option that must be set before the GL chart of accounts is created. On the right-hand side, you can indicate special account numbers that will be used in processing by the system. The first is the retained earnings account. This account will be used to store the profit from prior years. The current earnings account is used to store profit for the current year. And the missing accounts account is used during posting when the system has trouble finding an account because of incorrect setup. This checkbox allows you to specify whether you would like to use multiple financial statement designs. Usually, one financial statement design will do. However, if you wish to have more than one design of your financial statement for different reporting functions, you may check this box and create multiple financial statement designs. There are times when you will need to post an entry to a prior fiscal period. When you select to post to one of these periods, the system can automatically adjust the posting date to be the last day of that prior period. If you want the system to do this, just check the box located here. Pressing the Paper Trail Options button will bring this window into view. Whenever posting processes are run, posting reports are generated. Traditionally, the posting reports are sent directly to the printer without first showing the reports in the report previewer. If you want to see a preview of these reports during posting, select the Paperless option. This will allow you to decide during the posting process whether or not to send these reports to the printer. Whether you print them or not, the program stores PDF images of all posting reports for later retrieval through the Utilities menu. Also, a final confirmation page can be generated which indicates whether the posting was finished or undone. Use this checkbox to indicate whether you would like the postings to generate this report. The Financial Overview Accounts button lets us specify which financial statement line items will be used by the Financial Overview for displaying our financial information in bar graph and pie chart formats. Use the ellipsis buttons to select the appropriate financial statement line items for each category. We also have buttons on the bottom that allow us to go directly to the Chart of Accounts Setup and Financial Statement Design programs. These will be discussed in a separate training session. On the bottom right-hand side, we have a checkbox which allows us to set up our General Ledger for departmentalized income statement printing. Check the box if you wish to set up a departmentalized income statement. You will then be required to select whether Segment 2 or Segment 3 of the General Ledger account number will contain the department number. This concludes this session on setting up General Ledger accounting information.